thing like this is this these things you should know if, well, about the website, and also this is for the next project for the club. It's in so I will explain the first thing. So what is SPA and MPA? Is, well, you can pronounce it SPA, but it's not SPA. So SPA is a single page application. You know, like this is and the single page is the app that is like is not reloaded. You know, so I would say here I would just talk a little bit about it. It's enabled to work inside the browser, and you don't need to reload a page when the user using it, and it helps increase the UI, also UI and UX for the end users. And the SPA maintain is based on the JavaScript frameworks. And talking about the JavaScript framework is also related to Vue.js or React.js, which we will use in the GDSC project. And because it's based on the JavaScript project, so it's really high performance. And the next thing is the MPA. So MPA is multiple page applications. So you have when you use the MPA, it has the application has to reload everything from the top. So I have to say, like, this is the conventional way of building the website. You know, this is, I won't say that, I'm not gonna say that it is not old-fashioned. It is the basic thing in the web and applications designing. So how to distinguish the SPA and MPA? So I would like to guide you to the link of those websites. Actually, can I? Yeah. I don't know if you can.
Yeah, sure.
Copy to the.
Yeah, just work. Then you can click on back here.
Yeah. Okay. So if you get into the website, do you see the icon over here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So basically, this is an MPA. It is a multiple page website, because whenever you move into another section, okay, so it will reload. You see that it will reload the icon. Yeah. So it's like it has to reload everything from the top, from the blank page. You know. So yeah, that's it. Or you can also inspect the source code of the website. Yeah. Can I use this?
Yep.
So it's right here. You see that because it's the multiple page. So I think it has a lot of HTML code in the page. So when I try to in comparison to the, let's say, to the BBC.com travel, you see that it is different from the travel website, because whenever you reload a page, you see that the icon it didn't reload. So it is very high performance and it's so very fast. You wanna see it again? Like, you see, like it didn't reload the whole thing. It just load the content only. So it was very fast. And the last thing I would like to say, the pros and cons of the single page application. So the first thing is the pros of the SPA is really fast loading. Because it doesn't have to reload from the top. Everything and it allows the continuation and friendliness and the ease of the access. So it's very UI friendly. But But the thing is, there's still something need to be improved from the single page application because it relies only on JavaScript. So the thing is, it's very easy to be attacked by the hackers, and it's not compiled for the security. And if you want to say one thing is related to the SEO. So basically, like the SPA is built on the JavaScript. It doesn't rely much on the HTML. So it's very hard for the SEO to be on the top of the Google. So I would say like when building a website, the SEO is the thing that you should consider when you choose the MPA and SPA. Yeah. So I think that would be like my first presentation. I hope that's not too bad because
Thank you.
So like any questions? Or just getting like.
Do you see any benefits between using SPA and MPA besides load times?
Yes, you can. So can I get back to the BBC World News right here? Because if you see the because you know the BBC World News, it has so many sections in there, and in those sections it has different like areas. Now those page built on the SPA. But whenever you go back to the BBC main page, it is MPA. Yeah. So basically, the SPA is built for the things that is kind of like famous. Everybody knows it. Yeah, and it's only increased the UI friendly only. But for something like startup, it needs a website. It has to be privileged for the SEO. So it must be I think that it must be MPA. Multiple page, yeah. So that's it. Like you can also build like MPA and SPA at the same time. It's okay.
Awesome.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah, great presentation.
Thank you.
Noah, you want to go up?
Is it time?
Yep, share your monster.